Hey guys, good evening. It's been a while, right? Well, today I'm just gonna show you how to add the Debutify theme to your Shopify store. Now, if you don't know what Debutify is, it's a free theme, free premium theme, has a ton of features, and well, it does have some paid features as well, but you could use it for as long as you like with all the free ads, or the free, what's the word I'm looking for? The free features that it has. So to get started, just click free download. They'll ask you for your name and an email address. So let me just enter this here. Free download, and then they'll ask you for your store address. So let me just grab that here, and that's your Shopify store address, the .my Shopify domain name, whatever that you have for yours. That's what they want. Alright. And you don't need to add HTTPS, just the store domain name. So let's say your store is coffee shop, then it's coffeeshop.myshopify.com or coffee-shop.myshopify.com, and then hit free download now. This will do is it will bring you directly to your store, and it will add Debutify as an app. So click install unlisted app. Give it a few seconds. Let it come up. Alright. Takes you to their theme front page. Alright, and you just want to click add to theme library. So your theme has been added. You just need to go to themes and edit it. Now you could go in the add-ons section. Have a few good add-ons that you can add to your theme, but all of these are paid. You can see product research, I believe they have a few courses you can take as well if you're brand new to dropshipping, and if you are 100% new to dropshipping, this is your first store or you haven't opened the stores yet, now is the perfect time. Shopify is giving away 3 months for free. 3 months. You won't have to pay for anything for 3 months. So now is the perfect time if you want to try at your store. Alright. So they're showing a few products that are selling well according to them. Some of these look real good. I know this pregnancy pillow does sell well. This backpack sells well as well. So there are a couple things that does sell well. And then they have the courses. Shopify beginner course, product research course, Google beginner course, and Facebook ads beginner course. The Google beginner course is really good. I'd recommend that anytime. You could also take the Shopify beginner course as well. That's good. They have mentoring, integrations, and the plans. So they're Their cheapest plan is free. It's free forever. That's what they said. And it's basically just the theme and a few extra perks here and there. Starter plan is for $19 per month, and this gives you the help desk, the Facebook group, email, live chats, add to cart animations, cart countdowns, cart discounts, quite a few other little neat things like videos in your products. But I think you definitely need the theme for videos in your products. So yeah, so you can go through and see the plan that suits you best. For now, I'm just gonna be using the free plan. So let's just hop to online store. And here it is, Debutify 2.02. We're just gonna go publish. And we can view it. We could customize it, or we could just go here, open a new tab. And this is what the Debutify theme looks like. So guys, this store is naturallybeauty.xyz. I know the domain name is weird, but it's a cool name. So naturallybeauty.xyz will be the test store for YouTube. So we'll be testing apps, themes, email marketing software, whatever extra stuff, whatever stuff to test and review, we'll be doing it on this store. So far the store is quite bare, so we'll go through the setup together. Alright, so remember guys, Debutify is free. You could grab it in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you again for watching this video.